Hi, I'm going to read Beach Day by Candice Ransom. Summer morning, pack the car. Follow beach road, here we are. Spread out blanket, set up chairs, shoot the goals into the air. What? Hot sand, run fast, dive in quick. Something tickles, seaweed, ick. Hold my hand, be very brave. 1, 2, 3, now! Jump that wave. Along the beach, pick up shells. Most are pretty, this one smells. Getting hungry, time to eat. Ice cream sandwich, cool and sweet. Shovels, buckets, dig by the sea. Build a castle tall as me. Look what I found. Watch your toe. Mr. Crab, back you go. Climb the steep hill, wind just right. Let out long string, fly our kite. Sun is setting, almost dark. Fun rides, more treats in the park. Turning wheel soars in the air, cotton candy in your hair. Giant moon looks like a peach. Best day ever. Goodbye, beach. The end.